Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from PayPal to a bank account in UAE. So this is really easy. The first step we need to do is open our PayPal account like this. We need to open our app. Once we have opened your PayPal app, we're gonna click wallet and we're gonna click in our balance right here. And right here we're gonna click in transfer to select whether we want to transfer this money. So in this case, we're gonna click in this option called transfer to bank, and right here select. We're gonna select one option if we want, but right here you can add more uh, bank banks accounts. Click in this option, and right here you can find your bank account or your bank in the see if you want to add to this to your PayPal account. So it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.